Everyone, so welcome to our very claim which is for gig workers. So this is our admin access page. We are entering the admin ID and password and sign in. After got sign in, here we have a create policy, so we can add a policy here from admin side. For example, we are taking weather AQI traffic, and we can put it as standard. Description, we can have overall coverage for this. Enrolled person will get the payouts, and we are putting up a weekly premium as 2500. 250 is fine, and as a 2000 for the coverage amount, the up to the coverage amount what the user or the driver can claim. Maximum weekly payouts will provide as a 3000, and coverage hours for week is 30 hours. Maximum the driver can claim per week is around 5 we are saving, and here we are creating the policy. Okay, so we have a we can create policy based on this tier only. So we already have standard one, so we can try with the premium. Yeah, policy created successfully. So when the policy created successfully, we have the all policies. So here we will get the all the policies details and all, and we have a fraud panel. So currently we are using a demo data for this, and the users which are we will get the users detail and other thing from here. Here it is showing demo data, no real claims procedures process yet, and this is live claim feed. We can have like which user is claiming, what amount is there, whether all the things are detected by the AI from their API keys. Here we can have a flat claim from the user side. We have a refresh option. We can go to the dashboard. When we have a logout option, go back home. So like this is our home page, where we are. What VeriClaim is doing is VeriClaim automatically pays Zomato, Swiggy and other delivery partners when external disruption, rain, flood, curfew or app outages take their earnings away. No claims, no forms, and just money. So this website is paying the amount for their delaying when they are stuck into the rain, floods and other things which are mentioned into the insurance thing. And this is our what we are covering: heavy rains, extreme heat, severe air pollution when the AQI is more than 3300, and other things. And this is our build for food delivery partners, and these are overall details of our website. How many models are there, how many models, accuracy and ML features. So we have a register as a partner page, so we can register it as a, for example, we have a zone from the Chennai, because currently we are using the Chennai map only. And we have a bicycle. Yes, we had created the account. After that we can log in into this. Yes. So this is our overall flow, how the website will goes on. So here we can have an enroll policy. First of all, this is our exclusion things. While before enrolling the insurance scheme, we have to read our terms and condition, what our insurance is covering, our insurance is not covering, like what mandatory exclusions are there, what regulatory exclusions are there, and operational exclusions, and that's it. So here we are enrolling the weather required traffic, what we had just added right now. We can enroll it and continue to the pay premium. So here we are going to add three payments option, NFT and NPS and UPI thing. So the payment is done. Yes, we have our insurance policy, what the users can see from here, how many insurance things are there. From here now we can start delivery. Yeah, so this delivery simulator is connected with the API keys with the major delivery partners like Swiggy or Zomato. We have their API keys so that we can connect them and we can easily detect the delivery partners, the location and other thing, so that we can our AI will detect their um, automatic cutting payouts, and they will pay, they will get the pay for that. Submit. It is now processing. So here we get the weather bonus, traffic bonus and other things, and AI risk also. And here we have personal persona like delivery, which user is belong to the which platform. So our currently user is belong to Swiggy platform, it is showing right now. So this is the overall delivery zone for how many orders, the average order value or average orders per day, and what is the estimate weekly income is there. So yeah, it is the flow, this is the flow chart for this. And right now what whether the person is getting the weather, because weather is not okay in Tambaram right now, so it is getting 28 for that. And after that we have a risk map for, yes, so this is a risk map, how what are the regions in the Chennai is basically shown, whether the flood area, what is the flood area, but whether the flood area is not risk area or traffic area, it is showing basically are critical zones. That is all about our website. Here we have a home page and we can log out.